Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing this flawless makeup tutorials for you guys. So yeah, if you're interested in any products, they will link it down below, and if you have any question, please DM me about them, anything basically. So yeah, keep on watching. This is one of the best moisturizer ever. Gets you glowing for longest time. I love it. It's called Skin Smoothing Cream from Dermalogica. If you watch my videos, you know that I always love mixing foundation. So recently I've been loving these two foundation together. I love when a foundation gives a satin finish. One is like a matte and this is like a dewy, so both together is like a dream. So I'm gonna mix this two just so it gives a perfect finish. This is my palette for the foundation. So I'm gonna use this Amazon Best of foundation brush. For flawless finish, you always have to blend really well. Let's say you don't like brushes, so you can use Real Techniques Expert Complexion Sponge. Next step will be this concealer. It's Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in Graham Cracker. Super full coverage. Love it. Stays on the face so long. I'm using Japanese concealer brush. I got this from Marshall's actually. So again, I'm gonna use the sponge and going to blend out everything so there's no harsh line. I always let my concealer sit for a few minutes after applying cause whenever I apply the setting powder, it pulls away with the sponge. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes. After setting, I'm going to do the powders and everything. I'm going to use this butter bronzer from Physician Formula. Since I'm going for the glowy kind of look, I'm not gonna apply too much powder to it. Now that the concealers are completely set, I'm gonna use the Anastasia loose powder in translucent. I'm going to use this Morphe M38 brush. The perfect for under eyes. And now let it bake for a few minutes. Blush is Desert Rose from Note Beauty. So now that we are done with the baking, I'm just gonna dust all away. Bigger brush and going to diffuse the colors. Highlighter from Becca Beauty. It's their cream eye highlighter in opal. And since one highlighter wasn't enough, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution's Shimmer Radiant Brick highlighter. Using this two right here. This is called Baby Lips from Laura Mercier and Anastasia Beverly Hills Undressed lip gloss. Both combination is my favorite. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you think this is really good glowing looking skin. So as you can see, I didn't use exactly for glowing kind of makeup, but cream highlighter and good amount of dewy foundation can make your skin look really healthy. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.